Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I would be very happy if you subscribe and like and support me. Have a good time.
The Korean automakers have been on a roll lately with design, and the new 2024 Hyundai Kona EV continues the trend. The fresh new look will be joined by another crowded lineup of powertrain options, meaning the Kona will be offered with either an internal combustion engine, a performance-tuned N-line version, a hybrid electric model, and all-electric version. They all share a platform, but Hyundai will tune the styling of each to be a little unique. Interestingly, Hyundai says the new Kona was engineered from the start as an EV first, with a platform then adapted to combustion powertrains, in a reversal of the traditional ICE-based EVs that automakers have developed in the past. The new exterior, particularly the face, is reminiscent of Hyundai's popular global Staria van design, with a single line of DRLs in the front and the main headlight units hidden lower in the grille, with a matching light motif of another blade stretching across the rear. The new fascia is meant to highlight the streamlined aerodynamic profile of the new Kona, and the main head and taillight units are housed in the lower body cladding to emphasize the compact as an SUV. The exterior is finished off with satin chrome trimmings. You should be able to differentiate the new Kona EV by its pixel graphic detail on the grille and rear bumper, callouts to the Ioniq 5 EV, the very stylish winner of our 2023 SUV of the Year award, optional black mirrors and roof, and pixel-inspired 19-inch wheels when compared to the rest of the new Kona lineup. The ICE and HEV models get black wheel arch cladding and a more rugged bumper design like those on the larger Tucson SUV, and the N-line also gets the option of black mirrors and roof, a wing-type spoiler, unique 19-inch wheels, twin muffler, silver side skirts, and a wing-shaped bumper to emphasize a lower stance. The 2023 Kona doesn't just get a fresh design, it's also grown in size to offer more interior cabin space. It's now 5.9 inches longer, with a 2.3-inch increase in the wheelbase, and it's also an inch wider. The new interior is larger and now more driver-oriented with two 12.3-inch displays, again, like those in the Ioniq 5, angled toward the captain. The central tunnel has been cleared out and the shifter moved to a column type behind the steering wheel to open up more cabin and storage space. Hyundai says more details on its new Kona are still to come, but we like what we see so far.